Getting money on YouTube isn't no longer for experts in editing videos. For example, see this video.
You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding true resilience. Meet the African freedom fighters who defined courage.
Videos like this and others are the ones changing people's life. Good news, you can also make them using AI. Alright, take your phone, I want to show you how to make them. Don't forget to subscribe to get more useful videos like this. Alright, go straight in App Store and download in Video AI and open. Here you can write any topic you want. Click here on create short video and write any topic you want. Maybe let's write African freedom fighters, and here are specifications where you can choose how you want your video to be. Choose how you want it to be and then submit, then click here. As you can see, it has started generating it. You have to wait for a few minutes as it generates it. After generating, click on normal, then click here to remove watermark and download it.
Meet the African freedom fighters who defined courage. These unsung heroes faced insurmountable odds. From the Mau Mau in Kenya to the freedom fighters in Angola, they stood tall against colonial powers. Armed with hope and determination, they fought not just for themselves but for generations to come. Remember their bravery, honor their legacy,